I like to draw birds. Yes, I do. I'm jealous that they can fly. Like to draw birds, how about you? I tried to fly, didn't get too high. There's another thing that birds do. I'm jealous that I cannot. They can whistle a tune or two. It's a talent that I have not.
Now we'll draw a bird based on a half circle.
But drawing is something I can do. Birds' art skills are quite poor. They don't have fingers, as you know. Never saw one in the art store. Birds do have a certain shape. You know, I'm sure you saw one. They're not like an ape, more like a grape. I'll tell you how I draw one. An oval is a shape I use to start. A vertical one to draw the front. Horizontal's good for a side view art. For both, oval is the shape you want. I hope this general plan will serve. Drawing from life is the best. Or find a picture and observe. If it sings, you've passed the test. I'll test my whistle again. Like to draw birds, how about you? I tried to fly, didn't get too high.
The body is an oval shape.
If it sings, you've passed the test.